Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sophia Camarda if you're new, and today we're going to be testing out Amazon iPhone 13 cases that are all under $15, which is honestly amazing. So I have links to all of these in the description if you guys are interested. Also, before we get started, make sure to check out Camarda Crystals. It is my crystal jewelry slash home decor website. We have amazing crystal jewelry. We have this new Dalmatian Jasper bracelet, which is so cute. We also have things like keychains. As you can see, this is like a white druzy moment, this rose quartz candle holder, and then also little crystal pieces like this amethyst. So definitely go check it out at camardacrystals.com. So let's get started. If you haven't seen, I unboxed a pink iPhone 13, and then I did a what's on my iPhone, and now we're gonna try out cases for this phone. Let's get into the cases. First, we have what I would call an Amazon dupe for the Apple silicone case. This was $50, like why? I love Apple and I really love these cases. These are my go-to choice for iPhone cases. However, they are so expensive and it's really just silicone. So this is supposed to be the identical dupe for the chalk pink silicone case. We'll see about that. So here it is. It comes in this little like sleeve. This is cute. So they gave us free little stickers, I guess like a strawberry pie and some other thing. Here's the case. Honestly, they're almost exact. Like in color, they're almost exact. I don't know if you can really see that, but the color is pretty much spot on. The only difference is that the outline and buttons on this one are the same color as the phone, while on the Apple one, it's kind of darker, as you can see there. So this outline matches the color of the phone, while this one is darker. And same with the side buttons, like as you can see, the lock button on the Apple one is darker, and then on the Amazon one, it's lighter. But the true test is trying it on, so hopefully it like feels the same. And I'm pretty sure this also supports MagSafe. Let's try it on. Here's what the Amazon silicone case looks like. Almost identical. The bottom is the same cutout here on the side. I feel like if you're looking for a silicone case, this is the choice. Like you really don't need the Apple one. I know it has the Apple logo and it's like the official one, but if you're just trying to switch out colors and stuff, this is really good. I would notice like no difference. I like this one. I feel like this is a really good choice. Next, I am so excited about this one. So I've seen a lot of people with the pink iPhone 13 doing a clear glitter case on their phone. And I like this a lot because you're letting the color of the phone shine. So I'm going to apply this one and see how it fits. Wow, this is so cute. So let's do a little close-up. You can see the color of the phone through this one, which is amazing. It's giving me like princess vibes, like Cinderella or something. It's just like the slightest touch of glitter, and the fit is really good on it. I feel like it's very like secure on the phone. Here are the side buttons. It kind of just outlines them, and then there's a cutout here. This side has the same thing just for the lock button. There's the bottom. There's cutouts for all of these, and then the back is just smooth. Look at that. Wow, I really like this one. The one thing I don't like though is that from the front it's kind of just like plastic. I don't really like the plastic look around the screen, but I think the glitter on the back is beautiful, so I love this one. So this next one is probably gonna be my least favorite. It looked way cuter online. It's like those memes when you order clothes online and then they arrive and they're like not it. This is that. This is kind of like a pink marble, and online it looked like it'd be more of like a really light pink. It's not that light pink. It's kind of like a medium pink. This one feels like a very like cheap, almost like vinyl or something. The sides on it are clear, and then there's like a printed design here. I do like the kind of like metallic touches on it, but I'm just not really into this darker pink here. I think it's a bit much. I don't know, but let's see how it looks on the phone. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck. I just don't really like the feeling of this one. I feel like it feels cheap because, you hear this? It has that texture, and I don't know, I feel like it's just not that nice. Again, this one shows the sides, so you can kind of see just the clear plastic around the whole thing. And then from the front is just, again, a clear plastic. You can see the fall leaves outside. So cute. If you like the design, I feel like this is a good one because they are all very cheap. So it's like if you want to switch it up, it's not a bad one. There's nothing wrong with it. Now let's get it off. This one I thought would be fun. So this is kind of like a shell looking case, and as you can see, it's kind of like a light pink, and I think it's like a hard plastic. So I think this one would look really cute on a pink iPhone 13. I just feel like it would kind of, I don't know, enhance the color. Oh, wait, they gave us something. They gave us a little rose tattoo. Look how cute. I don't know what's with all the free tattoos and stickers, but that's cute. So here's the case. As you can see, it's kind of like a shiny, sparkly texture to it. And the feeling is kind of like, almost like a soft plastic. I'm a little bit shocked because this one, the sides on it are white. I thought they would be like all around like this hard like pink shell. I don't know about that. I just don't really like the clear sides, and so many of these have clear sides. I just thought this one would be different, but let's try it on. This one is actually kind of cute. So here's what it looks like on. I feel like the tones of pink actually go really well. Like you can see the pink around the camera, and then this. They're both kind of like this cool tone light pink, which is really cute. I think they go very well together. So if you want a pink case that matches, this is the one. This is actually really pretty. By the way, here's my background. This is from somebody in the Discord, and it's like this pumpkin design, as you can see. Very cute. Definitely join our Discord if you haven't already. The back is so cute. If the whole thing was like this, I would love it. If this doesn't bother you though, I feel like you could definitely go for this case and be really happy with it. I have saved probably the coolest one for last because I've never had a case like this. I know these are very popular. A glitter case. This is one of those like waterfall. Look at that. That is so sick. I felt like this one would be beautiful on the pink iPhone 13. Oh, and I feel like this one low-key might be the nicest because it comes with a screen protector. So if you're trying to get like the whole pack for your phone, this is probably the choice for you. So it comes with this really cool waterfall like glitter case. They almost look like The Sims Plumb Bob. If you play The Sims, you know what I'm talking about. They look like that, which is really cute, and it's just a bunch of like little pink glitters inside. And then it comes with this screen protector, which really they did not have to do, and I'm pretty sure it's glass, so it comes with this. I never use screen protectors, but if you want a cheap one that's like gonna work, this probably is good. So it comes with that, and then this pouch of accessories. I know people are like crazy about how they apply their screen protectors. Do you guys know what this is? Kind of like a blue sticker or something. An alcohol wipe. They did not have to do this. They invented alcohol wipes. No, they give you a little wipe. They give you a little thing to clean your screen. So let's try the case on. I think this is gonna look really pretty on this phone. Whoa, wait, this is cool. So look at it. Turn it upside down. Wow, this is beautiful. I was gonna say if you're like younger, this is the case for you, but you don't have to be young to have this. You can have the glitter case. You don't have to be like 5. I like it more than I thought I would. I thought it would be kind of like chunky, but they made it as thin as they possibly could, which I can appreciate. They show the sides again. So like all of these kind of show the sides. It's really not this like huge plastic border. It's a very like faint border, which I can appreciate, and the plastic on it feels the nicest out of all of them. It's very like smooth and almost like a, I don't know, just like a hard like good plastic feeling. So when you're holding it, it does feel a little bit thicker in your hands, which is kind of nice because it adds some weight. It's not too thick, but it's definitely the thickest out of all of them. One thing I wish they could have changed is that this volume button, it's not split, it's like one big thing for both buttons, so it's kind of hard to press them. Other than that, it's really nice, and I honestly love the design of this because like look at that. I like the way it kind of adds to the tone of the phone. It's like, all right, it's a pink phone, you know? It helps kind of sell the color. I love this one. I'm gonna like rank them really quick. I think my #1 favorite is the silicone case because it's just like the Apple one. Like there's almost no differences. This is the one I would pick first. Next, I would pick this glitter clear one because I just think it's subtle. Like it's a nice little design without being crazy. My next favorite is this glitter case because I just think it's so fun. I really love, wow. I really love the way it looks. I think it feels really nice, like the quality feels good. I really like it. My next favorite is probably the shell case. I think the design is beautiful and I wish that it carried out to the sides because then it would be perfect and honestly probably like in line with this one. And then lastly is this marble case. I knew it would be my least favorite when I saw it. When I opened it from the box, I said ew. It's just not it. I don't know. It's not ugly, so I don't want to like make you feel bad if you like this one because it's not bad, but it does feel the cheapest out of all of them. The design just doesn't hit. Like it doesn't look like the photo online. All of these cases look so cute next to each other. I just want to show you really quick. This is so cute, all of them. This has to be the thumbnail. So those are all of the cases. Let me know what your favorite was. I actually really like them all. I think they're all really cute and I think you can't go wrong, honestly. I think it was really fun to do like cases that complement the pink iPhone because again, she's a star and I want to be the one to like pave the way for her. So I want you guys to see the vision with these cases. I think it is just so cute. I love this phone. That is all. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to visit Camarda Crystals and of course subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And I will see you guys very soon and in the Discord. Bye!